Hi everybody, we are doing a science experiment. I forgot what to do.
It's called Goopy Oobleck. All right, so we're gonna use what's this?
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch, and then what is this?
Water.
Okay, so how much cornstarch are we using? 160 milliliters, and how much water? 80 milliliters? Okay, so we add 4 drops of food coloring into the water.
That's 4.
Okay. And now you're gonna stick the cornstarch.
No. I need to wait until it gets like all blue.
Okay, let's make sure it gets all blue.
Uh-oh. Wait, let me go get something. I'll be right back. A spoon. Is that all blue eye?
Yeah. Okay, now you're gonna put the cornstarch in the bowl.
Oh, this. Ready?
Ready, go. Okay. Now the water.
Uh-oh.
Okay, now mix it with your hands or the spoon.
I'm gonna get it in a spoon.
Okay. Lots of dishes for Mama.
We are making Oobleck. How long do we have to mix it for?
Until it's all incorporated. What does that mean?
Into Oobleck?
Yes.
That's hard. Oh, I think Ryan did that just before.
Oh.
So you can't. It's gonna get. You can't smash it, but you can grab it.
Okay.
Ooh, Oobleck right here. I can't even get this.
Be careful because you don't want to fling it out of the bowl.
Why?
Because I don't want to clean it up. It should form like a dough.
This is dough. This is Oobleck?
No, when it hits your hands, it should get liquidy.
Melty?
Yeah. Do you want me to stir and you to hold the camera?
Yeah. This is better. That's better. Look how hard Bobby is doing it. Uh-oh.
A little bit on the table. Hopefully that'll be okay.
Maybe I should put a little bit more of this.
I think we have enough cornstarch.
Oh, Oobleck.
Looks like it's starting to turn into Oobleck. Okay, let's try it with our hands. Oh, wait, no, bring it up. Okay, let's see what happens. So, put it in a ball. Are you filming correctly? Okay, and then it's all liquidy, and then we can put it back into a ball. Oh, I think it's all liquidy. I think I need to stir it some more. It might be easier with my hands.
Wait, can I do it with my hands?
Let me wash my hands first. Okay.
Bobby's gonna be right back.
Right back. Oh. Video of us.
That's Oobleck. Okay, wait, can I take this out?
Yeah, just put it in the cup.
Let me get all of that in there. That's it. Oh! See, you can't touch it.
What are you singing, Edge?
Periodic table. That was high.
Okay, I think we made it. What do you think?
Yeah, this is how it looked like when Ryan made it.
Cool.
But we don't even see the blue.
Maybe we can add more food coloring.
Okay.
Here, I'll do it. Yeah. Either we'll get more blue in the oobleck or just on our hands. Go.
Mix it all together. Mix it all together. Look at my hand. Mix it together. Wait, can I use a spoon? This is hard.
I think it's harder with a spoon. All right, well, are you gonna have fun playing with it?
Yeah.
All right, we say bye to everybody?
Bye-bye.
What happened?
We got it super ooblecky. Look, it's on the spoon. There's hydrogen, oxygen, and helium, and helium, mercurium, thallium, and helium, and beryllium.
You making up words, huh?
Just hydrogen, oxygen.